Meet Gabriel, a striking male cat with a sleek, glossy black coat that shines beautifully in the light. His piercing eyes, a vibrant contrast to his dark fur, give him an air of mystery and wisdom. With a regal presence and a calm confidence, Gabriel stands out from the crowd, carrying himself with an elegance that's hard to miss. While Gabriel is quietly observant, he has a gentle, affectionate side that he shares once he feels comfortable. His graceful demeanor and charm make him more than just a cat. He's a companion who will bring both warmth and sophistication to any home.